Hey all, welcome to a new exciting road trip.
Place is really nice. सब जगह पे it's a selfie point.
Hey, so we are going Sula Wine Nashik. We started our day with the power pack South Indian breakfast. All set and excited for this amazing journey. That's my friend Saraswati. Sula was always on both of our bucket list. So the plan was made so sudden and it was really exciting and we both were like, let's go yaar, without planning and all. What do you guys say? Sudden plans always work, right? I must say the roads are very nice and everywhere there is signboards and also it's not at all difficult to find the place. It's really smooth and also everywhere if you see there is a lot of development that has happened. I must say really Nasik is never gonna disappoint people. Okay, so we reached Sulawai Yards. That's the entrance. Right from the entrance, you will see grapes, farms everywhere. Also, the larger than life wine bottles model. I'm sure that's gonna be the best selfie point. So, this is the counter where we have to pay entrance fee. It's around 1000 rupees per head. The best part is like you can redeem it later inside. You just can't miss clicking pictures at this I love Sula point. And yes, many more to go, guys. The place is really well maintained and the colorful flowers around really adds to the beauty more. My first reaction was like wow, like really wow, what a larger than life image that I'm seeing it here. And right there at the center is Sula logo.
First time हम लोगों का first time है, right? Yes. How is experience? कैसा लग रहा है? Great. It's very nice. The place is really nice. सब जगह पे it's a selfie point.
यार यहाँ पे भी waiting. We both waiting for our turn to come. So that we can click our picture. Hopefully the place was not that crowded, though we went on a weekend as expected. My friends, they told me, if you're going on a weekend there'll be a lot of crowd. So left, right, everywhere there was a selfie point, but out of all, this point was my favorite. The perfect frame, isn't it? Live the Sula life. So beautifully done with Sula bottles. Isn't it great, guys? Hey, so this is Sula Fest picture. I don't know when I'll be able to come to the Sula Fest. I wish I come soon, whenever it happens. Also, we have taken a Sula tour, guys, where they show how wine is made, fermented, and how it's kept. What's the ideal temperature that wine needs to be stored at, and each and everything, like, what are the myths and all of wine, and how it is tasted and all. So if you guys want only the tour, it's cost around some 200, but if you guys want a tour along with the wine tasting, like 5 type of different wine tasting, So it's around 600. This is the last part of the tour where they show how to taste wine, what are the different types of wine, and how it's stored. So yeah, we have not taken the testing process, but I'm sure people who love wine will obviously opt for this. Let's see how is the view from upside. Wow, like seriously, this is so beautiful. The open view. So when it comes to food, they don't have much options in their menu, especially for vegetarian. So this area is basically gifting and merchandise area of Sula. So if you want to take home some nice memories of Sula or gift anybody, this place is must to visit. Let's check the outdoor sitting of Sula Cafe. Isn't it big, huge? Sitting here and sipping a cup of coffee. Cafe brings back old memories. I am never bored, never ever bored if I have to take a day off and sit in a cafe and watch and observe people. Though I am a great observer, I must say. It's time to hop to the new place. So I've heard a lot about this place on Instagram called Peruchi Vadi. So they serve really nice missile. So the route also is very nice, people, because on the way, there is this village that is located. I mean, this is so clean village and everything is so beautiful on the way. The temple that you guys can see, the roads, people, and kids playing, schools. So wow, that was a nice view. The village journey was nice.
Along with that and papad. So let us taste.
The quantity of the missile is more than sufficient for one person. Hey, so cute they are. So as we all know, Nasik is famous for his santra, grapes, and other fresh fruits. So we decided to halt and take back some fresh fruits. More than us, the uncle was more excited to pose for camera. Sarah's and her never-ending shopping love.
बट मैं भी दुकान से ही ज़्यादा करती हूँ, मतलब बिकॉज मेरे को कपड़ों का इतना शौक है ना, तो मेरे को वो पहन के ट्राई करके ऐसे
That
सब
brings end to our beautiful short journey. See you again. Bye bye.